What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we're checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster project construction update. Hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go! And hello, Lighthouse. We're about to head in. It's not too busy out here in the front area, as I can see the ticket booths right there. Pretty much nobody. I will say this, the weather is not looking good, and we're trying to get to the very back of the park in a very short amount of time. Fingers crossed, we'll see. Turnstiles over here on the right are closed. Ones on the left are open. No wait, we'll be right in. Yep, no wait, and we are on our way.
Posted it places.
More good news, as we can see, more supports are in place right here, leading into the brake run. Well, it looks like crews have been busy torquing down bolts. As it was pointed out to me, we have some torque stripes on here, so they know if it's physically moving. Video I put on for you.
Crikey, it's a roller coaster train.
That's right, folks, we now have a train in the maintenance barn, and we know it is one because, well, we can see wheel bogies on here, and it's 2 across seating, much similar to like Pantheon. Now for a couple photos of the actual trains. We can see they're wrapped up. There's several rows of them, and I'm not expecting they're going to be unwrapped for quite a while, and to be honest, I'm expecting some sort of tarp or covering very soon, so these will be hidden. But here's one final look at the wheel bogies right there. Again, you can see the wheels, so confirming that is a roller coaster train for the Jurassic roller coaster. Alright, so now we're over by Jurassic Park River Adventure, and I know we say it pretty much every video, but just look at all of that rock work. Looks absolutely amazing, and more of that structure is going way up into the air now.
fish with a pinwheel-like tail. You might catch a fish who has fins like a sail. Out.
Yoo-hoo! Come into the house, Dave!
She doesn't get one. All 23 days of hers come. It feels simply great. For we had a story that no one could beat. And to think that we saw it on...
Now you claustrophobic after that? Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project, and we have confirmation a train is on site. It's in the maintenance barn. We can confirm it. Looks awesome. I'm really excited for it. Of course, we have new supports in place, and of course, employees also had a chance to sign some of the pieces that will eventually complete the ride. When those are going to go over, not 100% sure, but we should have track completion, I'm thinking, sometime in the next couple weeks. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.